Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start fast. Fill a bowl with warm water and a few drops of mild dish soap, then place your stainless pieces in it. Use this gentle soak to loosen dirt and oils. Stainless resists corrosion, so it's safe for short soaks. Once done, lift one item and rub with a soft cloth to feel how grime releases. Make sure to remove any stones or glued parts first to avoid weakening bonds, and move immediately to light brushing when you see buildup loosening. Now you'll get into the detailed work. Dip a soft brush into the soapy water and scrub along links, clasps, and textured areas. Brush with the grain of any finish. For tougher spots, make a paste of baking soda and water and gently rub. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, so it removes tarnish without harming stainless. Once the grime lifts, rinse thoroughly under warm running water to remove all residue. Make sure to check clasps and hollows so no paste remains trapped. Finish by patting each piece dry with a lint-free cloth, then let them air dry fully to prevent water spots. Moisture left in crevices can cause spotting. Next, use a microfiber or jewelry polishing cloth to restore shine. Rub in smooth strokes following the metal's grain. If you see stubborn residue after drying, repeat the gentle soak and brush steps, or use a cleaner labeled safe for stainless steel. If a stone or plating reacts, stop and consult a.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.